It's Monday morning, baby. Mogressive motivation. And take a deep breath and start your day with a mindfulness morning, especially on a Monday. Start your week off right by putting in the effort first thing in the morning. You want to start your week off right? Put in the hard work. Don't forget, the harder you work, the luckier you are. No more coincidences here. Wake up early and fall asleep with a plan. Look for opportunities, no matter how small. And most importantly, commit yourself to something, and you too will find success. To continue the motivation, inspiration starts with you convincing yourself you are enough. Wake up and be more mindful today. Try it. Sit silently with your thoughts for 30 seconds. What if we started our days with a mindful moment of silence every morning? Just you and your thoughts. Focus on one goal at a time. Run a mental checklist. Check your calendar. Prioritize your hour, your day, your week, your month. Every day, keep your eye on the prize. Keep listening, bro. It only gets juicier. In times of uncertainty or feeling down, don't forget to surround yourself with the people, the food, and activities that make you feel good. Staying positive is a mindset. Become a service to someone else, especially if you're feeling down and out of it. It'll promote a curiosity of gratitude and appreciation. Stop playing the victim of your comfort zone, bro, and get up, get motivated, and do something, anything. Do whatever it takes to get your mind back on you. You're the main character, you're the director, you're the narrator of your life. Don't let no one or anything lead you towards a light that is not meant for you. You're done people pleasing. It's over. Time to hit center stage. Shine bright and speak your mind to the universe, and use your mindset and mentality to attract all the light you want, baby. All the light. No matter how your day starts, the only thing that really matters is how you end it. Your morning routine can set the tone for your whole day. It's important to find a space that has meaning to you, where you can enjoy the little moments in life that make up your story. Hit start on mindfulness. Hit start on Mogressive. Hit start on your goals, your aspirations, your inspirations, and your motivation. Setting your intentions for the day starts with a blank canvas. Fill it with color and mindfully create the life you want to live. Start by writing down one goal a day and achieve it. Check it off and reflect on that goal. How did it make you feel when you accomplished it? Promote self-confidence. Be your number one fan. Shoot, we talk to plants. We talk to football games through the TV. Why can't we talk to ourselves? It works for me. The morning is the best time of the day to meditate or do mindful thinking. Trust me, bro. Before we begin reacting to life, dip into our to-do list and long day, work day. Let's start and end our days and spaces with mindfulness so we can focus, have more clarity in our lives, and enjoy the day with a positive smile. All that outside noise, it's just that. It's noise. It's distractions. Public acceptance. Nah, bro. We stay away from that. We leave that for the masses. We're smarter than that because we're aware. We're aware of our thoughts, create outcomes. So what are you waiting for? Your life started already. Planning for tomorrow starts with planning for today. Take a moment for your thoughts to slow down and reflect on the importance of your relationships in your life. It'll give you the space you need to be more mindful, present, and open to new perspectives of life. Ground yourself. Ground yourself. Trust me. Getting up in the morning is tough. A tear runs down my cheek every morning I wake up at 4:30. Well, not every day. Take 10 minutes for yourself. Try mindful thinking like meditation or yoga to revitalize the energy you need for the day. Listen to your favorite playlist, a Mogressive playlist, make fresh juice, read off an inspiring quote, look over your affirmations, whatever improves your mood. Do it. Don't just do it right now, do it every morning. Forget about what you need later and take time for yourself now. Hit start on mindfulness. Hit start on Mogressive. hit start on your goals, your aspirations, your inspirations, and your motivation.